In this episode, we are looking at the best PC case on the market for every price range. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Cooler Master MasterBox TD500 case. To ensure this case is suitable for various motherboards, it has a spacious interior design that supports Micro-ATX and standard ATX motherboards. It also supports PSUs up to 180mm in length, a 410mm graphics card, and a 165mm CPU cooler. It has a polygonal mesh that provides excellent dust filtration and airflow. There is support for up to 7 120mm fans and a 360mm radiator for more versatility in cooling the internal components of the PC. The I/O ports are present on the top of the case, and the side panel features a crystalline design tempered glass. Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Case. This case features the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System that provides space behind the motherboard for all cables and a single channel route for major cables. It comes with two 120mm air guide fans that improve cooling and concentrate airflow through the anti-vortex vanes. The case fits two 3.5-inch HDDs and two 2.5-inch SSDs, with SSD trays that can be repositioned at the front PSU cover. It is vertical GPU mount ready thanks to vertical PCIe slots and a screw mount, although there is a need to purchase the PCI Express 3.0 extension cables separately. find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items that are the best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write our comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can also get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.